Hello my friends, my name is Jason Amlan. So welcome back to another video. It's been a long time I didn't post any videos because of my school stuff. That's why I cannot make a video. So right now I have a order that arrived this morning. It is the air filter stuff. But you see what is inside in the box once we open it. Ooh. My. So right now, this is what I ordered, the UMA Racing Air Filter. This is for the RS 150R, Sonic 150R, Supra GTR 150, and the Winner X. So this is so cool, guys. You see that? That's a cool stuff. UMA Racing. Reveal the true power, which means this is a high performance air filter. Dual kit. Oh wow. Here. So it said here it has a dual layered filters, increase airflow. So increasing airflow, it makes the motor go fast, I guess. And also it has a bigger surface area, single layer filter for performance, cost efficient, user friendly, washable and replaceable filter. So this air filter is replaceable. So right now we're gonna unbox this one. So what is inside in the box? So right now we're gonna see what is inside in the box. Right now, wow, this is amazing. Open this part. And here, what we have inside is the my air filter. That's so cool. A free sticker from the seller, and also the UMA Racing Air Filter, and this thing has a manual. For this air filter, this thing has more types of air filters, and also an instructions for this period. There's an instruction over here, the air filter. So what we have here is the periodic maintenance. So this thing is gonna go like every 500, every 2000 that you're gonna wash your air filter. Nice. So here you go. This is the air filter itself. Nice. The only way to get this one is to how do you get just be careful of removing this part. This thing has a thing for this air filter, and also you can see these foams. You can see the sponge. This is a dual air filter. The logo of UMA Racing. Also a metal thing for the filter. I'm not really sure if it's like a stainless or what, All I know is it's just something that is so cool, ah. Wow, paano siya tingnan. So if you want to do racing stuff, you have to remove one sponge to make the performance higher, or should I say improve? I think that's how I repaired that one. Ooh, sheesh. Oh, that's a sheesh moments. That's a sheesh moment. Nice. So we're gonna go to our motor to install the UMA Racing air filter. Alright, we're gonna start the installation. There is 4 screws on the top and the Supra under, it's over here. So right now, here's the installation of the air filter. Sheesh! Oh my gosh, the air filter is so dirty. So right now I'm gonna change it. Then I'm going to install the air filter to this one. So for the stock, it is replaceable, but the UMA Racing air filter is washable. You have to remove this and also this part. Right now, my friends, let's compare the stock air filter and the UMA Racing air filter. So this air filter is stock. This is pretty disposable, but they were using paper stuff. And also, in the other hand, the UMA Racing air filter has a increasing of airflow in order to make the motor go faster, I guess. So this is the stock one. I'll be keeping this stock in case this thing breaks, or rather. But so the next one is I'm gonna wash this cover and then I'm gonna wipe all the dirts around. Alright guys, so I already washed the air filter cover and also the stock one. For this one, there's no more. And this, but we're gonna install this already right now. First thing is you have to put the screw first. Alright, I think we have a slight problem with this bolt. It's just so small, but the rest of it, it's fitted because of the stock one is too big, but these parts are like too small. So I made a test, so I'm gonna test it if there's no cover on it. So you see a notice, there's a noise. So watch this. So what I've noticed that if you remove this air filter cover, it will have a different sound. So which means like this thing is kind of open carb, if like that. Because which those bolts over here are so small. So we'll try something else to experiment it. So if you're gonna put this cover, so but just a quick reminder, this is just temporary. I'm gonna go to a machine shop, just temporary. But anyways, if you put this cover, this thing still is like, this thing is has stock sounds yet. Not really sure. You'll notice there's a noise in the air filter. Watch this one. That's it for the sound, but that is it for the sound. Because when you notice is that if you put this stock cover, if you put this air filter cover, it only sounds like stock. But if you remove this, you know, this part or the whole air filter cover, there's like a difference with the sounds on it. Like, you know, the open carb, it will like increase the power. So anyways, my friends, so that is it for the, just my, I don't know, like major modification is the air filter. Well, thanks for watching, my friends, and see you guys on a next video, I hope, if I'm not busy at all. So goodbye, guys. One last reminder, guys, if you're gonna do like, you know, washing, you have to always close the seat cover to not affect the air filter and the stuff. Well, thanks for watching and goodbye.